Okay, so it's TechiesReign Skills Academy, and today we're going to be talking about HTML commenting. Okay, HTML commenting is just going to be telling us how to comment on our codes. Okay, in HTML. Okay, so we want to learn how to comment in HTML. So we want to you can add comments to your HTML source by using the following syntax. So, for example, it might be for you to remember something you did on your code. Okay, it might be for you to let somebody that will be reading your code also understand what your code is all about or it's like. Okay, so that's what HTML commenting does. That's what it does. So okay, we don't need to copy our code. Let's just go to our VS Code. We're going to close our bidirectional override. We're going to clear that off. So we want to open the p tag. Okay, so we want to have this is this is not our first paragraph anymore. This is maybe our 10th paragraph. Okay, this is our 10th paragraph. Okay, good. So we want to add a note that says this is a sample. Okay, so let's save this. We'll come back to our browser. We'll see that what we wanted to make a sample, what we want to use as a note, is already shown on our web page. Okay, so this is a sample. It will also be for us because probably when you come back to your code next time, you can see that this paragraph is just for a sample, just for example, it's not going to our main page. Okay, so what do? What we can do is we just open this bracket. Okay, then we're going to use an exclamation mark. Okay, then I'm going to use 2 hyphens. Okay, then we'll come back after that, then we'll put another 2 hyphens, then we'll close it, then we'll save it. Okay, so by the time you come back to your web page, you see that it's no longer there. Okay, so it's used for making comments. Okay, it's used for what? Making comments. So you just your exclamation mark, then your hyphens, your 2 hyphens, then you put your comment in between, then you put another hyphen, then you close it with your bracket. So you are opening and you are closing. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so let's you can also use a shortcut. This is a sample. Okay, then we are light, then we control slash. Okay, you control slash. So that's another backdoor to commenting. Okay, if you don't want to write write it like the way we did first. Okay, so you don't want to use the whole exclamation mark and the like. So, but you need this. So in a case where you don't want your comments to show, ideally your comments should not show on your web page. Okay, and you want to know what you did in that particular place, and the next time you visit your code, or probably somebody else will be working on your code base, you want the person to be able to understand what you did on your code base, you can make a comment like this. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment and share. I'll see you in the next video.